stepped on a crate.
ATM, isn't that nice?
Yummy. Hey. So yeah, a black hippo went into a forest and it started eating the monkeys that inhabited it. It was awesome. And then Lazen shot down from the sky and blew him up, and he blew into a bunch of butterflies. Oh, hello.
Right.
Then they dropped bombs on the rabbits in the field. What are you talking about?
Do you like his tie-dye shirt?
And then they went into another dimension that looked like that.
Rawr.
And then dinosaurs came out. The end. No wait, the dinosaurs became rock stars and lived happily ever after. The end.